Hi guys! Today we are doing a review on my first ring light that I purchased off of eBay about a month ago. I've been wanting to do this setup demo. I watched few reviews on YouTube before I made my decision which ring light to buy, and this girl, she got it off of Amazon. But yeah, it's about $100 US. She really did a great review, setting everything up and demonstrating, which made me want to do as well unboxing and setup and demo for you guys. I did peek once because it's been pretty busy lately and didn't know for how long I would be waiting to do this video, and I just wanted to make sure that all parts are inside and nothing is missing. Thankfully, I don't need to contact anybody. Right now I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna set it all up, and at the end we're gonna try how it works. We're gonna turn it on and see the lighting and temperature and how everything basically goes. Let's take the carrying case first. Inside is the actual ring light and couple accessories. So all nicely wrapped, bubble wrap. And now I got the couple more things, few more things, which is the one thing is oh, this is for the other products, tripods, maybe cameras, I'm not sure. This is the instruction manual. Look at this cute little bag with the inside come accessories. And one is for phone holder. We're gonna try that today. Another one, wanna just use your camera. The second big part is the tripod. Let's open the tripod now. It says to loosen the central axis knob and then just extend the tubes all the way, or like this if you're gonna use it on your smaller or desk or table. You're gonna go all the way down and then says tighten. Yeah, I think this is the height we're gonna use. Height. This is the height we are going to use today. I'm pretty sure, just for the demonstration. All right. Okay. Check quickly in the camera if it's gonna be seeable by you. Yep, works. I'm gonna pull it back to me a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's all tight and nice. So I'm just gonna show you quickly. You loosen. All of these knobs are for more height. The higher you go with this, if you want to do more higher, you go all the way. There are 3 levels. So, but right now, like I said, we're gonna just use this height. Let's take out the light. I'm excited. All right. So So yeah, in here comes the plug and the battery. I forgot to show that before. Supposed to be like that. I think. Oh yeah, and this is if you want angles. You can rotate to any angle you want and then tighten it here. So for the purpose of this video and my camera being on a prop that I don't want to change, I'm just gonna lower the height here so you can see the whole light. So yeah, that's the lowest. Let's now check the accessories. This one goes here. Okay, nice there. And the phone. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Here we go. And this expands at the back. There is a, where you can plug the cable. And then I'll move it here. This is the temperature. This is the temperature, sorry. If you want to make it more warm, personally I like the white, plain white light. You can go as bright as you want and as low, and this is the all the way down. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how it looks at the back. This is the turning on and off and dimming knob. And this is the temperature knob. And here we go, guys. This is how I look. This is no light. Hold on. And this is light. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya, bye.